How's it going, guys? Welcome back to whatever you want to call this, like a cooking channel or whatever I'm gonna do. So today, basically what I'm gonna do is cook a cake. I was supposed to do this with my girlfriend yesterday. It actually didn't work out because we were supposed to do it, but then we sat at the table for around like 2 hours, 3 hours, just dying of laughter on the phone, calling people during supper. So we won't do that. So the cake we're going to do is moist chocolate cake. We need 2 cups of all-purpose flour. 2 cups of all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon of salt, a big teaspoon of this cornstarch, baking powder, cacao, 1 brewed cup of coffee. I guess I gotta turn on the coffee machine. Cup of whole milk. Got a boom. Oh, I found baking powder. Butter. 2 cups of all-purpose flour. One teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of salt. This is a teaspoon for sure. Boom. That's enough, right? Boom of baking powder. Well, it's definitely gonna grow. Let me say that much. Preheat oven. Great idea. 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Baking powder. That cornstarch. It just looks white and it looks like. Anyway. Okay. Jesus Christ. 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of canola oil. Jesus Christ, this is real. Wow. This is horrible. I'm glad I don't bake so often. I feel freaking like I'd be like I think I'd go crazy just to see how much sugar there is in here. Yeah. Okay, I guess I'll put them. We gotta use 2 different bowls for this. I remember my parents always saying never mix the 2 ingredients together. Whoa, canola oil's done. We're gonna put that away. Oops. No. That's whole. Oh, nothing more. Shit. Interesting. And if you guys are wondering, what you're gonna want to do is take this, put it in the oven, and set your timer. And yeah. So anyways, guys, I'll clean up the kitchen, and we'll see how the cake is after. If it even worked, if I even got it, if I'm a real chef. Anyways, I'll see you guys in a few minutes. Okay, so finally. Passes the test. It definitely passes the test. Fluffy, super. Yeah, it's destroyed, but you get the point. Anyways, I'll see you guys on my next video, whenever that should be. That's freaking good.